Yeah. So here, so PQR two times is there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. PQR is a string. So inside the string method, this hash code and equals method already overridden. So that's what it is not considering duplicates.
Okay.
Okay. If,
Over actually in my Map Manager one, we actually
uh-huh.
uh, import. We actually we just uh, import the uh, hash code and the equals method. So, but this one we didn't bring in the coding. So, but it's still they are not taking the duplicate. So, what's the difference?
So here this is a string, right? This is a
Yeah.
string class, right? So inside the string class, I'll show you hash code method. So this is the hash code method. So they have already implemented here. See, hash code and equals method. So this is the equals method. So they have already implemented. Okay. That's what, right? In our case, whenever you are adding string two times, so it is not taking the duplicates.
So under the string, actually they overwritten the method, so we don't need to do anything else.
No need to do anything. If
Okay.
you are writing your own class like member, student, customer,
Then I have to import
you
both
have
of
to override. Why?
them.
Because your own classes, right? That is not part of JDK.
Right.
So that's what you have to override the hash code and equals method.
Yes.
This one is clear, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then last topic, right? I want to tell you. Okay, let me collections. Okay, let me create another package called comparator. Comparator demo. So this is my main class. And this will not take much time. This is the last topic in collections. And tomorrow means your Monday night.
Yeah.
We will see threads. Okay.
Okay.
And so here, right, this is a simple class, right?
Yeah.
What I created, comparator demo. Okay. So and there is a main method. So inside that, what I want to do, I want to create a class called student.
Okay.
Simple class student. Okay.
Yeah.
Inside that, I am trying to create student name and integer age.
Okay.
Okay. And after that, what I want to do, I want to assign this value to the student. So I'm trying to create a constructor by using these two fields.
Right.
Right click and go to source, generate, sorry, not hash code, constructor.
Yeah.
Right click, source, constructor using these fields, click OK.
Yeah.
So constructor is generated and two fields, name and age is we are assigning, we can able to assign the value. So now what I want to do, I want to create student objects inside my main class.
Okay.
Student s1 equal to new student, and as part of constructor I want to pass the values. One is name, I want to pass name is pqr, and next one is age, right? So I'm passing age as a 10.
Integer or yeah, of course. Integer.
Second is integer, right?
Yes.
So I pass it. I want to create the same way some 5 object,
Okay.
and second object I'm making as a 2, and third object I'm making as a 3, and fourth object and fifth object.
Right.
So the second student name I'm giving as a ABC,
Yep.
and fourth student name I'm giving as a KLM, and fourth name I'm giving as a PQ or ABC XYZ, and last student name I'm trying to give as a RTY. Okay, these are the, and age I'm trying to give as a 12, and just I'm giving some random numbers basically, I can say directly.
Yep.
17, and the student age is consider 16. Okay, so far it's clear, right?
Yes.
So my aim is I want to sort these elements. I want to add to list. List equal to new array list.
Yeah.
I need to import this one, right? First let me import list. Hey, what is this? Type in my Eclipse. Okay, let me import manually. Import java dot util dot hey.
If you put start everything coming,
Everything will come, but it's not working at all. Yeah, now it's fine. Now it is working. Okay, I created an object array list, and now I want to add my student objects into
list.
list dot add, right?
Yeah.
And I want to pass s1. The same way I want to add all the other students s1, s2, s3, s4, s5, s2, s3, s4, and s5. So far it's clear, right?
Right.
Okay. Now after that, basically I want to sort these elements. If I will display this list, right?
Yeah.
There is something happened. Okay, let me close and open it. No. Okay. So now, yeah, now it's working. So what I want to do, I want to display the list of students. So inside this list, right, student object is there. Student doesn't override the toString method, right?
Yes.
So for the purpose, I'm trying to override the toString method. Hash code generate toString method. Finish it. So now I have overridden the toString method, and now list is having students. Now I'm trying to sort it the elements. I mean, sorry, just I'm trying to display it. And did you see that does students elements start sorting 10, 12, 4? I mean, it's not sorting, right?
No, it's not
Did you
starting.
see any sorting? There is no sorting at all. But I want to sort the student based on name and age. Sometime I want to sort based on name, and sometime I want to sort based on age. So how to sort it? Okay. So to sort the elements, you previously we saw we are using there is a comparable,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Comparable means we have to implement directly here. Implements comparable, right? Student class.
Yeah.
Okay, if you use that one, we can able to do by considering only one parameter, either name and age. We can able to sort by considering only one field, right?
Okay.
But here my aim is sometime I want to sort based on name and sometime I want to sort based on age.
Okay.
So for that purpose, what we have to do, we have to take another class student underscore age. Okay, I created another class called student underscore age. Okay, and I have to implement another interface called comparator. It is
So
part of util
able
class.
both are different.
Both are different. Comparator and comparable both are different. I will tell you what is the difference.
Okay.
So basically I created a separate class called student underscore age and it is implementing the comparator interface.
Okay.
Okay, inside the comparator interface there is a method called compare. Just right click and space bar. See, did you see that there is a method compare?
Right
So
click. Right
just
click.
override, yes, we have to override this method, we have to implement this method.
Yeah.
So when you are trying to implement, right, so there is a two arguments, object 1 and object 2.
Yeah.
So basically we want to sort the student object, right? So we have to downcast this object to student s1 equal to arg1.
Yeah.
Student arg1. The similar way, student s2 arg1,
Yeah.
right? And here s1 dot age minus s2 dot age. Got it, right? So now I had overridden the compare method and I want to sort the students based on age. So I am taking age difference.
Okay.
This is so far it's clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now here, whenever I am displaying the list, right, I had to do some other change. There is a class called collections. We have already saw this one, I guess. Collections. Sorry, collections. Inside the collection, see, collection is a class.
Yeah.
See, it's not able to open. So collection is a class, and inside that there is a method called sort. Okay, we have to pass our list. Okay, after that we have to pass this object student age. So you are passing your list, and on what basis you want to sort your student? New student age. Got clear, right? Then you have to display the
Why do we
list.
have new here?
Yeah, new. What is the purpose of, we need to sort the list based on student age.
Yep.
So this is kind of instruction.
Okay.
So you are passing your list and you are telling you need to sort this element based on this object. So inside this object you are comparing the student's age.
Okay.
Okay, now let me run it and we will see whether it's sorting or not. So first student, what is the age?
4,
And second student,
10
10, and third student,
is 12 and 16. Yeah, it's sorting now.
16, and 7. Now it is in sorting mode, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now my second question is, I want to sort students based on name.
Okay.
So again, what I had to do, I had to copy this class.
And again, another class.
Yes, correct. So now here what I had to give, student instead of age. You can give anything, just for our understanding purpose I'm creating this kind of classes.
Okay.
Okay. Now here instead of age, what I had to compare now? Name. So s1 dot name. There is a inside this is name is a string, right?
Yes.
Inside the string there is a method called compare.
Okay.
s2 dot name. So what it will return, uh, whenever you are comparing two strings, s1 and s2 is a two strings, right?
Yeah.
So for each string having some hash codes, right? We know, right, that one.
Yes.
So let's suppose first string hash code is 100. Okay, and second string hash code is, just assume, 103.
Okay.
So basically we are comparing strings hash code values,
Good values. Yes.
and it will return some number, integer finally.
Right.
So based on that we are going to sort the strings.
Yes.
So that's what we are comparing. We are calling compare method.
Okay.
It's clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so far. Now my third time, I want to sort these elements based on
Name.
name. So I have to call it, and I have to pass the different object. Instead of age, I have to pass the name. After that, I want to display the elements, latest elements,
Yes.
and I don't want to display the default one. So first list is displaying based on sorting age, and second list is displaying based on
Name.
name. Okay, let me run it. Okay, let me maximize. Did you see there? So the last one, first name, first student name is
Yes. Last one is based on name actually.
first student name is ABC and AKPRX.
Yes.
So these are in sorting, right? So this is the way to sort an object by using different field.
Yes.
So they will ask a question: what is the difference between comparator and comparable?
So the comparable actually the comparing only the one or two specific objects.
Correct.
Comparator actually specify whether I want to go for A, B, C, D, whatever else I have the object I can compare.
You can able to compare, and comparator, it is not part of your main student object. So your main student we are not at all touching.
But in comparable, when I'm using, then I have to go for implements.
Correct. That is a second difference.
Okay.
So these are the questions they will ask.
So yesterday I was practicing actually based on the last classes in the comparable.
Mm-hmm.
So suppose class student then implement. Why actually the word implement we used?
Class student implements, you're asking?
Yeah, implement then go for comparable. Suppose.
Okay.
Then if you go comparable, then is there any new methods coming, or I have to write the methods automatically?
Yeah, you have to implement here compare to.
Okay, then okay, then
Here, right, you need to downcast this param1 to student. Like I will write for you. Student s equal to so you have to downcast this object to student, and here you need to compare this, sorry, this dot age minus s dot age. Got it right?
yeah.
This is old way by using comparable.
Yeah. So param means what actually?
Param means, so you can give anything. This one, when this will be called, so whenever you are adding this students list to sort method,
Okay.
so inside the sort method, it will read each element. It will read each element of student object, and it will call the compare method.
Comparable.
So whenever you are adding elements, right, what it will do? So you are creating a list, right?
Okay.
So for first student, compare method return 100,
Okay.
and second student, compare method return 103.
Yeah.
Then it will check which one is the higher number.
Second one.
Yeah, it is in sorting order. I can say indirectly 100, 103. Let's suppose S3, and S3 hash code value is 99. So then
Okay.
again it will compare these with these numbers.
Yep.
Then it will arrange,
Okay.
right? Then 100. So now this third element will come here, right?
Yeah.
And these two will go a little bit up.
Yeah.
So like that, it will call the hash code method, and it will try to compare the existing values, and it will arrange the sorting order.
Okay.
So that is the main purpose of this compare method.
Comparable. Okay. So here actually, when I was actually doing something else, and to string method actually I didn't go for right click.
Mm-hmm.
I just went for, by writing manually the
You can
code.
write. You can write your own. No
Yeah.
issue.
So it shows that illegal exception. So what does it mean actually?
So I don't know what you written. What you have written? Can you please tell
Uh,
me?
when I was writing the two string methods in one of the comparable in my last classes,
Mm-hmm.
so whatever you written, so I'm following the Lexer sheet. Actually, Lexer sheet means your document
Mm-hmm.
in Office. So then it shows the illegal exception something. So what does actually illegal means? Illegal means that there is no put value, something else. I think I have to send you the document so then you can
Yeah,
see that.
just give me that particular Java file, whatever you have typed, no, so that I
Oh,
can able to see. I mean, what you have written exactly.
okay.
Just send me the file, whatever you have written, right? Is I mean the code or the Java file to me, so that I can able to see that uh, two-string method. I mean, what you have written exactly, so that I can able to tell you.
So how can I send? I just
You can
copy and
just send me in the email, no, Gmail.
okay.
Can you able to send? I mean, from Gmail.
Yeah, I can
You
able
can
to.
reply to my one of my email, right? So that I can see your code and I can run in my machine and I can tell you
Yeah.
just that
So
program.
last 2 days I was doing on two things. One thing is that actually in the Eclipse actually I'm practicing whatever you did. So
Oh, okay.
two things I get the problem. One thing is that I told you that actually I cannot see the library. Library
Uh,
means that is
uh,
called Java dot these things. Even I was yeah. When you click and it shows actually green and underlining, you know.
yes, yes, yes.
But
You.
when I
Mm-hmm.
okay. Yeah, if you just if you take the cursor and you show this green, but when I tried, then I go to googling it never worked. So
Okay.
then second thing I did actually I go for the Java library from their Java Oracle websites.
Mm-hmm.
So I saw there is so many methods actually I was reading that when you go through that. So that was fine, but you know if the source code I find it that is much better, you know.
Correct, correct. Also, send me that screenshot. Also, whatever you are facing the issue, right? Just send me the screenshot. I mean,
Yeah.
what whenever you're clicking this string class, right? So what you are getting? Just let's suppose are selecting the string and you are clicking. What screen you are getting? Just send me this screen print.
Yeah, I'm getting just that source code not found, just like same things. Even when I'm suppose I got a string and it not actually mark something. You know, when
Uh-huh.
you take this pointer and it shows that green and underline, but when I go there,
Mm-hmm.
it doesn't show anything else. You know,
Oh.
then I downloaded it and I cleaned this and again reinstall it and I
Mhm.
go to the source code.
Okay.
So I don't know why actually is happening.
Okay,
And
that's fine. Next, when you are connecting next time, right? First, what you will do, you will share your screen and you can show me that issues.
okay, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, actually.
So that time, right, I can able to see the issue. You can share your screen, then we will fix that issue.
Yes, actually, this would be fine. Then uh,
Also,
next,
send me that program. Also, what you are telling, some legal exception you are getting, right?
yeah,
Just send
okay,
me that exam. I mean that what is it, that example now before you are going to sleep. Just I will reply to your email now only.
okay, yeah, that's fine. So next class, actually, you're going for a multi-threading. So
Yes, yes.
then actually, yeah, I was reading some document, whatever that lecture you given to me, the
Mm-hmm.
multi-threading,
Okay.
and then after the JDBC connection,
JDBC connection also I will take.
yeah,
Which one
okay.
you want? No, you want JDBC connection or multi-threading?
No. Whichever order you follow, that's fine for me. I don't want to tell anything else.
No,
Whatever
that's
you,
fine.
I'm just
Both
following.
are both are different. I mean, there is no relation. We can take up anything.
No. I'm just
Uh,
telling. I'm following the sequence. Whatever you gave me in that
no,
in
I
the.
will take. I want to start threads because threads is a little bit confusing. So I want to spend more time on that.
Okay, yeah.
JDBC that will not. It's not a complicated topic. It's easy only, but the thread is a little bit complicated. So I want to spend slowly. I mean, I want to spend some more time on that.
Okay. Another thing, actually, what I'm doing now, I'm trying to finish all the backlog. Actually, you know.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah. So because of this Eclipse,
Mm-hmm.
I actually stuck. So hopefully next class, if we fix these things, and
Yes,
then
yes. Next class, right? We will fix the issue first, then we will start something else.
yeah, and we didn't want it 2 days. Actually, I'll finish all the all your backlogs. Then I'll be on the same now I'm what I'm doing, whatever current class you're doing,
Mhm.
I'm just trying to do something